Have you ever wondered how to create stunning AI videos or get the most out of the latest AI tools? Today, I'll show you a step-by-step process to elevate your AI content from basic to breathtaking. And it all starts with how you prompt your AI. Hey everyone, I'm Zach, and I'm excited to share my journey with AI-generated content. I've spent weeks experimenting with different AI video platforms, and I've discovered that the secret to professional-looking results isn't just the tool, it's how you use it. Stick around and I'll walk you through the exact strategies that transformed my videos from amateur to cinematic. Today, you're going to discover why most creators waste a ton of credits getting subpar results, while others are crafting cinematic masterpieces from the very first try. We're going to break down the exact prompt structure, explore the 4 generation modes, and I'll show you a technique for maintaining character consistency that most creators don't even know exists. By the end of this, you'll never waste another credit on a failed project, I promise. Most creators are still stuck using basic AI video tools that don't fully understand what they're asking for. They're throwing money at platforms that only give you 30 seconds of decent footage after hours of tweaking. I was once in the same boat, burning through credits so quickly that it felt impossible to keep up. The frustration was real. Low-quality AI videos are instantly recognizable. The motion is stiff, lighting is inconsistent, and characters morph awkwardly mid-scene. Without a new approach, your audience will notice, your engagement will drop, and your brand will look less polished. But here's the breakthrough most creators miss. It's not about finding the perfect tool. The magic happens when you combine the right platform with the right model. And that combination is about to change everything. And here is the secret sauce, the power combo, OpenArt plus Kling 2.1. OpenArt isn't just another AI platform. It gives you access to a wide range of video models, including V2, Kling 2, Kling 2.1, WAN, and Pixverse. But the real magic happens when you pair OpenArt with Kling 2.1. This combo delivers cinematic quality videos with movement so natural it looks like you hired a film crew. Kling 2.1 interprets complex prompts and sequential actions that other tools struggle with, making your videos look truly professional. Now that you know why OpenArt and Kling 2.1 are such a powerful combination for AI video creation, let's get practical. With the right approach, you can move beyond trial and error and start generating videos that truly stand out. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you unlock the full potential of these tools and achieve stunning cinematic results every time. 1. Master text-to-video generation. To create cinematic text-to-video prompts, don't just write something basic like "girl walking in garden." Instead, craft your prompt by clearly defining the subject, describing their action, specifying the camera movement, setting the lighting, and adding vivid quality descriptors to establish the atmosphere and style. For example, a graceful young woman with flowing blonde hair in a soft pink dress strolling through an enchanted rose garden. Tracking shot from behind, golden hour sunlight, dreamy bokeh, cinematic fairy tale atmosphere. This method will instantly elevate the quality of your AI-generated videos. Here's another example. Elegant ballerina in flowing white tulle spinning gracefully in abandoned ballroom. Slow motion, circular camera movement. Soft window light creating magical dust particles. Dreamy, romantic quality. Look at this stunning generation. 2. Bring images to life with image to video. This is a game changer for creators who want full control. Start by designing your perfect character or scene, upload it to OpenArt, and use Kling 2.1 to animate it. The key is in your animation prompts, be specific. Prompt example, gentle hair movement in a soft spring breeze, silk dress flowing like water, cinematic slow motion, ethereal grace. You control exactly how your character or scene looks from the start. No more crossing your fingers that AI gets it right. 3. Combine elements for complex scenes. The Elements to Video feature lets you merge multiple visual elements like a character from one image and a background from another into a seamless cinematic video. Prompt example, elegant woman standing peacefully in a mystical garden. Soft, ethereal lighting, cinematic romantic quality. This is perfect for storytelling and creating rich, layered scenes without expensive setups. 4. Audio integration. Good audio for cinematic quality. Audio is just as crucial as visuals. Use OpenArt's auto sound feature to describe your audio needs. Add lip sync capabilities for dialogue or narration. This elevates the quality significantly. Good audio turns a simple video into something cinematic. Here's the secret sauce. Kling 2.1 can generate videos up to 10 seconds long at 720p resolution, allowing you to create beautiful, compelling content. But Don't fall into the common traps. Use specific camera terms like tracking shot, aerial view, dolly zoom, or slow pan. Also, don't neglect lighting. Lighting is crucial to making your video look polished and professional. For example, golden hour sunlight streaming through sheer curtains, casting soft shadows on the floor. Another one, soft candlelit room with warm tones highlighting the subject's features. Environment details matter too. Instead of just saying garden, say something like a secret garden with climbing roses and an antique gate. The more specific you are, the more stunning your video will look. By OpenArt and Kling 2.1 are unbeatable. Unlike competitors that charge a premium for limited tools, OpenArt gives you affordable access to the best models available, including Kling 2.1. You're not locked into one company's technology. You get the best of everything in one place. I've left a link to OpenArt in the description. Try it for yourself and let me know what kind of content you plan to create. I love seeing all the creative ideas you come up with.
Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.